So, people use Discord a lot for gaming, and it's kind of annoying how when you've got your account, you've got your tag, and that tag you can't change without paying. But what if I told you you could? What's up, guys? And today I have actually discovered a really cool thing you can do with Discord. So, I'm on my alt right now. Its nickname is Beluga. But if you go to view profile, right? This is my thing. But if you go to edit username, okay, I have Beluga right now. But that's because I was testing something. See, my tag is 5125. I do not have Discord Nitro. But if you change it to something, a lot of the time stuff like Dream, and then you go current password. I'm gonna put a box over that. See, sometimes it says too many users' names have this, but a lot of the times, if you get it, you can sometimes, like that. I just changed it 1671. Like, I just changed it now. See, but it says want to customize your tag, get Nitro, and it takes you there. So that's actually a quick, easy cheat to get change your Discord tag. Alright, so the reason why this works is because when you do something like this, the odds are that someone probably has a tag, especially on those like popular things like Beluga and Technoblade, stuff like that. Someone probably has a tag that is the same as yours with that name, because those are like the most top used names. So then when you do that, like, see, Beluga, like, it's rare you can actually get Beluga, but let's try Drew now. Nope. Mr. Beast. See, that one didn't change it, but probably won't let me do it again. It only lets you change your username so much. Skittle. Like, just like, oh, yep, changing it too fast. So, but the Technoblade one, like, worked, because people have, Mr. Beast didn't, but Technoblade at it, because people already had the tag, so they had to change your tag. So that is a way you can do it. Now, you won't always get the best tags, but cause like I'm here, right? Like, I have a pretty good tag right here, 8836. That's my normal one. This one is 1671. Like, that's not the best, but you can still sometimes get good ones. So, yep, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and join the Discord.